Unlocking the phrase, booked a reservation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common phrase, booked a reservation. Whether you're planning a trip, going out for dinner, or simply curious about English phrases, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Let's get started and explore how this phrase is used in everyday English. When someone says they've booked a reservation, they mean they have secured a spot or arranged in advance to use a service at a future time. This could be a table at a restaurant, a hotel room, a flight, or any service that requires advance confirmation. The term, booked, here implies that the arrangement is confirmed and recorded, usually in the service provider's system. Booking a reservation is crucial for many reasons. It ensures you have a guaranteed spot, especially for services that are in high demand. You might book a reservation for dining out, to ensure a table at a popular restaurant. Travel, securing a seat on a plane, train, or a room in a hotel. Events, guaranteeing entry to concerts, theaters, or special events. It's especially important during peak times, such as holidays or weekends, when the demand for these services increases significantly. Booking a reservation can be done through various means. 1. Online. Many services offer online booking through their websites or mobile apps. 2. Phone, calling the service provider directly. 3. In person. For some local services, you might be able to book in person. Regardless of the method, you'll typically need to provide your name, contact information, and sometimes payment details to secure your reservation. Here are some phrases that might come in handy. I'd like to book a table for 2, please. Could I make a reservation for a double room? Is it possible to reserve seats for the 7 p.m. show? I need to cancel my booking. How can I do that? Understanding these phrases can help you navigate through booking processes smoothly. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, booked a reservation, and how you can use it effectively in your daily interactions. Remember, booking in advance is a great way to ensure that your plans go smoothly without any last-minute hitches. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. See you in the next one!